And I've gone. Pardon, pardon, pardon. Oh, oh, oh. Lock me out.
Password.
I've got pizza.
Fucking liar.
I know, but I know it. You, where pizza?
I thought you will use something from Allo, like, I don't know.
My darling, I was just pissing by and I thought I would poop in with a pizza. Nice room. Room 111. A591. Travelodge, Interkingdom. £29 for the night and £3 parking. £32.
The room is nice, but unfortunately the shower is this type of shower that, you know, I don't like.
Well, I should have a good soaky bath, can't I? Oh yeah, you can't alter the height and you're a short horse. By the time the water's reached you, you're cold. See, it's up in the ceiling. And the missus is down here. This is the missus.
No, I'm not so...
So by the time the water's got from there...
I won't be here, I will be here.
Where? Where will you be?
just...
Where will you be?
Here, because it's higher than on the floor. I just will need to push it a bit like that.
Yeah. And if you disappear down the plug, I'll come and save you. Okay.
I don't like this.
Do you love me?
I'm
Shall I
doing something.
Shall I brush my teeth?
Oh. Yeah, brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth, brush your teeth.
And shave.
Oh God, yes, need it. I'm desperate for a shave.
Right.
Let's just show the happy followers.
What followers? Subscribers.
I don't have any subscribers.
On YouTube you have subscribers.
Plenty of watches, but no subscribers. They watch without. They've not got YouTube accounts. They just search. Okay. Are you pretty? You're very pretty. That's the missus's bed, and that's my bed for the night because I farts and I snore. That's the snoring bed.
Oh yeah, you snore.
And she likes to sleep. She can.
You snore when I try to go to sleep.
Oh
Before
yeah,
that,
yeah,
you don't
yeah,
snore
yeah.
at all.
So they put us a special snoring bed up. Very nice of them, very nice. So as I can wake up without my scarf wrapped around my neck and blue tongue and bruises in the back. That's it, with a bruised back. Okay, lovely room then. Immaculate, clean, spotless. a sunny day. It's going to be the same as yesterday according to the metro. Overcast but bright, no sun. But we're by the coast, so always talks back a quick run to the coast. We've got Windows 95 out the window. What's it called? Oh, the name of that hill. Windows 95 hill. Off that, right there. There's the snoring bed still. Just want to go and check on this. Alright. Then I'll have me a shower to start my day. Good morning, Ma. I'm just doing for the Instagram. It's just so the boss knows where I am. Good morning, my love.
Don't record me.
Don't record me, don't record me. Tell me.
Fuck off.
And,
Whatever.
go on, say it. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. There she is. The love of my life.
Luggage.
All
Nice.
sweet and beautiful. Okay. We'll continue for me. Straight to the beach and then to the port. That's safe. That's the back.
A shoe. You didn't clean her well.
No, I mean I only done it for quickness, sweetie, because I just wanted to be away. And all in all, it's not really a very good cleaner, I've got to say. You know, I mean she's lovely and soft, but she's not the... Oh, God.
Okay, leave it.
Okay.
It was good. I don't know why you try to...
But I like it being flat. Because I can hear the slightest speed from it. Maybe the struggle here. Ah. There we go. And all this stuff in case I have to get out and repair shit. And she never lets us down. Did you see how manly I was when I closed that door?
Yeah.
I was manly. I didn't go. I went bosh.
Still recording.
Yes. I'll edit that bit out. What's the matter, my love?
I haven't had the breakfast yet.
Won't my darling let you in? Do you want to stop and...
No, I'm not hungry.
We can go to the McDonald's, but it's a car parking in Kendall.
No, we're not getting...
Okay. Yes, we'd better. I'll just start her up to warm up a little bit.